In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your online store's theme with ease and precision. Let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow to bring a fresh look to your store. First, let's head directly to your online store theme section. This is where all the magic begins, as this part of your store is crucial for setting the first impression with your customers. Imagine it as the front door to your brand, where visitors get a sense of your style and professionalism. Now, once you're there, you'll notice a variety of customization options available on the interface. They might seem a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through it. Next, take a look at the icons situated prominently on your screen. Among these, you'll find a mobile icon right next to the computer and full screen icons. Click on it. Why, you might ask? Well, selecting the mobile icon is essential because it gives you a preview of how your store will look on mobile devices. Since a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile users, it's essential to ensure your store looks just as appealing on a phone or tablet as it does on a desktop. As you make changes, you'll want to see them in real time across different devices, ensuring a consistent and visually pleasing experience for all visitors. Now that you're viewing your store's theme in mobile mode, let's get creative. You'll see options to add images, which can really enhance the visual appeal of your site. Remember, the right image can convey 1,000 words about your brand's identity. Furthermore, consider adding animations. These can capture attention and add an engaging dynamic to your store, making it more memorable to potential customers. Think about the positioning of these images. Alignment is key. You want everything to look balanced and intentional. Don't hesitate to explore the myriad of features available to you, as each one offers an opportunity to enrich the aesthetic and functionality of your store. Once you've made your adjustments, you'll want to save your work. Saving is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are applied and not lost. It can be easy to get caught up in the excitement of customization, but remember to save frequently to safeguard your progress. Every time you save, you're cementing your store's new look, ready for visitors to admire. And there you have it. By exploring and adjusting these key elements of your online store's theme, you're not only updating its appearance but also enhancing the user experience. A well-designed store engages customers and enhances your brand's credibility. So go ahead, experiment, and make your store a reflection of your unique brand vision. Thank you for following along, and happy customizing.